There are so many homes to choose from, but none like this one.
Let's go check out the inside of your dream home.
Welcome home.
Come on in.
This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,587 square feet, and in the heart of Austin, Texas.
An excellent location and a beautiful place to call home.
This is the perfect home for entertaining you and your friends. You have an amazing living area.
You can start your mornings here with your cup of coffee or end your nights with this beautiful, cozy fireplace.
And what's even better, the ATV is brand new. It's literally less than a block away from this house as well, making having an amazing event for your friends even easier.
Yes, minutes away from South Lamar, South First, South Congress. This is an excellent location, and you know what they say about real estate? Everything is about location.
And this is prime location, 7704. You cannot wait too long for this opportunity because it won't last much longer.
Let's check out the rest of the house.
And this is one of the best parts about this amazing home here in South Austin. This garage is already built out for you. It can either be used as an ADU, as an office space, whatever your heart desire. This is your imagination place to play in this area.
Next, we have the incredible dining room with lots of natural light and perfect for hosting all of your friends and family.
Yep, and upgraded light fixtures as well as super tall ceilings for this cottage style home. This has upgraded floors, nicely made for you. And of course, you have a super large open space kitchen for you as well inside this amazing house.
And what everybody always wishes they had more of in their kitchen, tons and tons of cabinets and storage space. Perfect for all of your needs. Really, baking, cooking, entertaining, everything you could possibly dream of, you can fit it in this kitchen.
And thanks to the tall ceilings, if you're tall yourself, you get even more space up above. I can unfortunately cannot reach those, but you can see though, ample space from all different areas that you have access to make your life even better and maximize this home.
Now we'll snake around to some of the bedrooms. This home has 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, and perfectly designed for your ease and convenience. Coming here off the right, we have a full bathroom, bathtub, shower, great marble, and beautiful blue walls.
And this has been completely upgraded as well with you in mind. This is currently being used as Airbnb, which is transferable for you too. So you can already imagine that this home is decked out to the nines to make sure you and your guests have the best experience every single time.
Next, we have a bedroom, great for an office space or a extra bedroom for you if you want, or if you have kids, you know, whatever your needs are, it's here. Again, incredible natural light and designed with you in mind.
And even better, there's 2 closets as well. Both of these closets are walk-in closets, which is unheard of to find a 2-bed, 2-bath house. Again, this is ample space. And now we're entering the final bedroom, the primary. Super spacious. Again, you have 2 separate closets, both walk-in closets, lots of natural light, and of course, privacy as well for you too.
Very important. There's a fence all around the backyard, which we'll get to in a little bit. Make sure you stay tuned because the backyard, honestly, one of my favorites I've seen.
And of course, you have to have the bathroom attached to the primary. You get a nice checkered tile, nice marbling finishes, and up in here, we have super tall ceilings that makes your home stay super nice with 2 shower heads. Can't beat that.
And now the perfect room for entertaining. Super high ceilings, great natural light, lots of windows, and check out this gorgeous rock wall.
Yes, it is amazing feature of the house. Honestly, one of my favorite rooms. Again, you have more space. Honestly, what's so nice about this room, not only is it super big for entertaining, set the living area, but you also have a washer and dryer as well inside this room as well, which is kind of far away from the bedrooms in front of the house. And the driveway is massive. You have a hole all the way up to the street, down to the garage. Super eclectic and nice and super shady for you too. And now my favorite part of this house is the backyard. Super private. It's like a little retreat for you in your backyard.
It is so peaceful. I just want you to feel this for yourself, so come check it out. Like we mentioned before, fenced in, super private, perfect for kids to just run around, pets to run around, or you to just sit out here, relax, reading a book, meditating, whatever you want. This place is tranquil.
Yeah, super tranquil. You have amazing trees as well up above you, so it's never too hot for Texas for you. You know, the shady weather makes a difference. You have an awesome porch as well, so a deck area, ample space, and of course you have the ADU/garage or your fitness center as well, right next door to us.
And another concern, like he mentioned, the heat. There's not too much grass, so you're not going to be spending so much money watering the grass, but there is grass, which is nice, you know, for a picnic or for your kids to play in or whatever.
Yep, so this is your dream home. It is 78704. This will not last much longer. For a quick recap for you, we are in the heart of Congress, walking distance from ATV, downtown, tons of restaurants and parks, and of course it's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,587 square feet, tall ceilings, all of you in mind.
Currently being used as an Airbnb. This is great for an investment property or for a primary home for you or someone in your family. You have the main property and the separated garage, which could be made into whatever you want, a studio, a gym, another Airbnb, all up to you.
If you like this property, down below, do comment Cottage to hear more of this property where you still can get a proper showing before it's off the market.
Yeah, this will not last long, so reach out before somebody else takes it from you.
See you soon.